Jobe, we wanna study. Kena.
Jobe, we wanna study.
Wetala. Hashtag get a bit of everything. Let's say so. Hashtag
get a bit of everything.
And then let's bring it home. Hashtag I'm going to do what? Hashtag let's go. Hashtag
I'm going to get a bit of everything.
As we prepare for our final NSC examination, we are going to do our best, and Father God shall do the rest. Candidate Sibalo, we have a question from one of the past papers where we are going to integrate our topics. And that is the advice to all of you boys and girls. As you prepare for your examination, make sure that you integrate all your topics in one. Candidate Sibalo, the ball is in your court.
So as Sir has already mentioned, this question is an integration of topics, which is trigonometry and Euclidean geometry. So we can see the theorem, the proportionality theorem, which states line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same proportion.
Right, candidate Orneilwe, what did Sebalo say about theorem 1 of grade 12? Let's go.
Theorem 1 grade 12 states that line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same proportion.
Let us say it louder, all of us.
Line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same.
Ariko pele matsoho. Great stuff. Continue.
So from that we can deduce that EP over PD is equals to EQ over QF. So we are already given the size, which is sin x, 2 cos x, and 3. So we're just going to substitute here, which is going to be...
She forgot to do what? The reason. Each and everything in geometry must have what? A reason. Let's go, my girl.
The reason for this is line parallel to one side of a triangle.
Great stuff. Or what? You must do what? So if our candidates out there want to use prop theorem, they mustn't forget to write what? Wonderful.
So then we're going to substitute, which is sin x over 2 is equals to 2 cos x over 3. So at this point we can cross multiply. So it's going to be 3 sin x is equals to 2 into 2 cos x. So then we break the brackets, right? Which is going to be 3 sin x is equals to 4 cos x.
Continue from this side, my girl.
So at this point we are stuck, right? But then we know that we have a trig identity that has sine at the top and cos at the bottom. So what are we going to do? Divide by 4. So it's going to be 3 sin x is equals to 4 cos x divided by cos x both sides. So this is going to cancel with that. And then it's going to be what? 3 tan x is equals to 4. But because we want to isolate tan, we divide with 3 both sides, which is going to be tan x is equals to 4 over 3. And then we say, we move tan to the side. X is equals to tan the inverse. So x is equals to 53.13 degrees.
50 what?
3.13.
Have we answered the question? Let us read the question and see if we have answered.
Given a triangle DEF with PQ parallel to DF, find the value of x with reasons.
With reason. So you see we have answered the question. We are ready to go to the university of our choice. Our Jobe, we wanna study. Kena.
Jobe, we wanna study.
How about 90? How about 90? Thank you, candidates. But let's give her a hand. Right, we are going to take another breather. Thank you so much.